YouTube channel Nos Confunden. Chapter 6. The theory that the Earth spin around the Sun and not the Earth as the center of the universe. This theory was determinant in the 16th century development of modern astronomy. But if we consider that the new humanity, or this new cycle, began in 1728 post-reset, we can raise significant questions about the authenticity and sources of our scientific knowledge, especially in relation to the great scientists who were shaping this theory before that year. YouTube channel Nos Confunden. Scientists like Copernicus, Galileo and Kepler had already established before the 1728 reset the basis of this theory. However, it is highly probable that it was another manipulation imposed by the same colonizers, since the new humanity born conditioned under the new IDP from the beginning was going to have great difficulties to reach the truth about its own environment. Nos Confunden. These theories and reinterpretations by the custodians could be adapted to the new narrative of the imposed universe. After the last reset, the process of human re-education may have included the selective reintroduction of scientific theories that supported the colonizers' imposed worldview by including this way of looking at the universe and reinforcing the notion of a vast impersonal universe. Scientific texts and publications could also be altered or even eliminated if they did not match the impact they sought. YouTube channel Nos Confunden. The existence and contributions of figures such as Newton, who had published most of his influential works before 1728, may need to be critically re-evaluated. Were their legacies really co-opted or reconstructed to serve this new configuration of the post-recessionary custodial system? Did they really exist? Nos Confunden. The idea of fostering human insignificance in this last cycle was far more important than any other dogma and was carried forward relentlessly from 1728 to the present date, creating and reinforcing the systems that are carried forward today as well. Critically considering history also puts under the magnifying glass the great scientific minds that shaped our minds. A closer examination of their lives and writings may reveal connections to alchemy, magic, and hermeticism that are worth mentioning. Newton, despite his fame as the father of modern physics, devoted much of his life to the study of alchemy. It is estimated that he wrote over 1 million words on this subject. A little-known facet of his life that was meticulously hidden or minimized until the supposed 20th century. His interest in and obsession with the transformation of metals can be seen as a metaphorical parallel to the transformation of the world view through his well-known theories. YouTube channel Nos Confunden. It is also known that he studied biblical chronology and prophecies, showing a fusion of his religious and scientific beliefs that could be interpreted as a search for divine order in the cosmos, influenced by Hermetic ideals. Kepler is also known for his contributions to science, the laws of planetary motion, but he was also an avid astrologer and advocate of mystical cosmic harmonies that he related directly to his astronomical work. His famous phrase, "Geometry is one and eternal shining in the mind of God," reflects his belief in an ordered and mathematically predestined cosmos. Ideas that resonated with the Hermetic philosophy of as above, so below. YouTube channel Nos Confunden. His work, Harmonices Mundi, is a treatise linking music, mathematics, physics, astrology, and astronomy, showing his perspective of an interconnected universe, a vision that is essentially magical and hermetic. Galileo Galilei, although a great proponent of theory, his relationship with the Catholic Church and his esoteric studies are often overlooked. His confrontation with the Church could be reinterpreted not only as a struggle between science and religion, but also as a conflict between different esoteric interpretations of the universe. There is evidence that Galileo was deeply interested in other mystical texts, which may have influenced his interpretation and presentation of the solar system.
YouTube channel Nos Confunden.